Good morning, everyone. I have recovered from COVID-19. While I was gone out from COVID, a cement truck came over here and he dumped a bunch of cement on that dirt over there, and I called the EPA Protection Agency on his ass. But we're gonna give you guys a housing update of what the progress is so far of our apartment. The guys have been hard at work every day. Recently, they just finished doing the drywall, and we have an electrician coming in today in order to do the lighting and to do some of the wiring. So yeah, you guys are gonna do a little walkthrough, show you guys the progress. So off the bat, right here, if you see, they did a drywall. They did a drywall right here along the edges. They redid all this drywall along the edge. It took them about one whole day in order to do all of this work. There was about 6 to 7 guys here in each corner of the house, getting it up, cutting the board to spec. Moving on, we asked them to make this arch higher. It ended maybe to here before. And now we asked them to increase the height of it, give it a more dramatic look. Moving on, you can see the gypsum board above me, as well as in this room right here. They redid you could see where the old was. The old was right here. They ripped it out and they put a brand new drywall board around. This wall here, there was some of an L section kind of going in this way. We asked them to destroy it to just make this an open walkway right here. You can see they also redid this whole ring around the entire kitchen. And I think it looks really good. It's not painted yet. However, we're probably going to save that for another day because we're going to save the paint for another day because we want to move in and we want to actually sleep here and spend the next couple weeks that we are here in Jordan in our own house. We're waiting on some appliances to come in the mail. We bought a washer. We also bought a dryer. And we also got a gas stovetop, which is right here. That gas stovetop, Italian made with copper heads. It's very sturdy, heavy duty. It's probably better than a lot of what other things are on the market, hopefully. Moving on, some things that are unseen is we got the mudding done in the rooms, but we did not get any paint done. So you can see the mudding. They filled up a lot of the cracks and the room is ready to be painted. But now the electrician's here. I hear his car outside. I'm gonna go get him so that he could start doing work and that we could talk to him and figure out the details of where we're gonna put the spotlights. But guys, thank you all for joining me back on this sunny day here in Jordan. I have recovered from COVID-19. Took me about a couple days. Luckily, I have my 3rd vaccine shot and my symptoms were mild at best. I drank a lot of hot liquids and just did a couple, 2-3 solid days of long rest. We're gonna show you guys later when the electrician is working. I'm gonna go to the roof because yesterday there was a guy who cleaned up the roof, cleaned up our water tank. However, I noticed that there was a leak of water from one of the sides of the tanks. Now, I don't know if that water is still leaking, so we're gonna head up on top of this roof. And we're gonna find out if it's still leaking up the water. And there's very, very poor cable management up here. They just have cables just dangling around from which direction. But I'm gonna go take a peep and see if the gum. I chewed up a piece of gum yesterday and I put it on the thing. And oh my god, it held up. Look at that. Do you guys see that over there? That piece of gum? That piece of gum is holding up a leak inside of the water tank, which is pretty crazy. That's just called on-the-fly engineering. Wow. See, these are our old water tanks right here. That one and that one. They're a couple years old. Couple. Probably maybe like 8 years old now. They are due for a change. But I'm on top of the roof right now. You guys want to admire the view. It's about 8:30 a.m. here in Amman. Been waking up not that early the last couple of days, so waking up like this is kind of rough. But yeah, we're just waiting on the electrician to get here so he could start work. He told us that we had to be here by 8, otherwise he's gonna go to his next job. And we're clearly here and he's still not here, which is just kind of disrespectful to me, because I could have kept sleeping. But besides the point, we have some stuff that we bought from IKEA. We have some other things that we... Oh. I don't know who these guys are. Just cut up some carpet so that the mattresses can sit on top so they don't get that dirty until the bed frames fill up. Those are our mattresses. Mazen and I are sharing this room, and my brother Malik is gonna take that room when we finish it. I'm thinking my bed's gonna be one of these. Hi guys, it's me again, giving you an update on our housing remodel progress. Right now, Mazen and I got our mattresses just kind of on the ground. We spent our first night here. So far, so good. Today we got a delivery of our washer and dryer, and we have someone who's working on the spotlights, the recessed spotlights that are going to be going out in our ceiling. So I'm going to just take you guys around, give you a quick look. We also, Mazen and I cleaned the shower and bathroom yesterday, so that would be usable. As you can see, the spotlights are being wired, and we have the washer and the dryer in that room right there. And now what's left is to wire those up and change the plumbing so that it goes from a 1/2 inch to a 3/4 inch. So these need to get wired up, and the electricity needs to get changed to a UK and then to a German plug. Here the washing machine. This is an 18 kilogram Samsung washer. And this is a dryer. Super nice. Looking forward to cleaning my clothes that I haven't washed in over a month before I embark on the rest of my trip. But yeah guys, it's another progress update. Keep you guys posted with the next one. We're kind of coming to a wrap on all this remodel. And hopefully soon we'll be going to IKEA and getting some tables and a couch. Stay tuned.